haul videos are my favorite categories on YouTube, where people show you different stuff they get for themselves. Even though you don't want to buy that or you don't require that, it's always fun to watch haul videos, and I even love to share my things with people whenever I get things. So haul videos are all under 150 rupees, so they are really affordable. I'm nowhere promoting online shopping at this point of time because I know that situation are still not under control, but these all are the products that are very essential, and they are skincare, hair care, body care products that I can't live without. And yeah, I just can't take my skin and hair for granted because it's already summer, it's already monsoon, my hair are falling, my skin is getting irritated, and yeah, I need to take care of them. I just can't take them for granted, and all the products are essentials. And while saying it, it's so hot, I can't even tell you, I can't on my fan. So if you are new to my channel, then take a second to subscribe to my channel and join the family. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below what was your favorite product, and yeah, let's get started. Guys, I have these huge boxes. The first product that I want to show you is so essential that I just can't live without it, and even you can't live without it, okay? So it is brush. I'm talking about brushes, guys. Brushes are like the first thing you need to do when you wake up, and yeah, I need to get one new brush. So I ordered it online from Nykaa. You can even get like brushes and everything. So this is for 98 rupees, 2 plus 2 free. Like if you buy 2, then you get 2 free. So it was so guys. The second product is mouthwash, and this is the first bottle from this brand. And when I use it for the first time, my mouth was burning, guys. Actually, it was burning because it is in cool mint flavor, and as soon as I take it and put it on my mouth, it was like, I was like, what is this? It was like burning inside my mouth, and I just puke it out, and it was horrible. And like lately I just get into it like it was habitual, because at first I didn't know the taste, and yeah, later I just get used to it, and it is a good product. Like it keeps the bad breath away, and yeah, good for your mouth. The next category, that is body care, and I'm so excited to show you this product because I have already talked in one of the video like top 5 skincare products under 50 rupees. And yeah, I am talking about this baby over here. This is Think Skin body wash in Wild Rose, and I am so in love with this product. I had no idea that it was actually available on Nykaa, and in that video I told you that go to Big Bazaar, but you don't have to go to Big Bazaar to get it. You can order it from Nykaa, and this is for 79 rupees. That was a tiny bottle, like that was I think for 100 ml or 150 ml. This is a bigger size because I want to get it in big size because I know that I love this product. And this is paraben free. I love these kind of body washes because whenever I feel like I don't want to bath today, but when I remember I have that body wash in my bathroom, I'm like, I am coming. So yeah, I love this, and the lather it produces, and the smell it leaves, oh my god, I just love this pocket perfume. I'm talking about this Engage Cool Aqua, and this is the first time I have get this product. I have never tried it before. I just want to give it a try because it's already summer and you just need to have perfumes, and I am really careless person. I broke my very expensive actually gonna try it in front of you guys. Let me open this. And pocket perfumes are really handy, like for traveling if you are going to college or office. So these I think are a great option. You don't need to carry the big bottles, and yeah, like perfect size. Actually a pocket perfume that can fit in your pocket, and it has 250 sprays. This is for 60 rupees, but I think I get this in discount. And this is Cool Aqua. So let's pull out this, and so let's try this on my hand. I need to be really careful because the strong perfume just hit me here and I just can't live with it. I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. It's very strong to me and it doesn't have any scent. Like, I love, like, perfume are actually personal choices, and I like some sort of floral sort of smell, but this is burning my nose, guys. Oh my god, I don't like it. This is a product I would say no for me, actually, because I love floral sort of perfume and this is very overpowering. My nose is still burning, so I won't recommend it to you if you like floral. So guys, the next product is actually a repurchase and I have been using this product since years and I am so freaking in love with this. This is the best product from Nivea and I'm talking about this roll-on. This is how it looks. It is in this whitening smooth skin. It claims to whiten up your underarms, but it doesn't do that. It has zero alcohol. It means that it will not further darken your underarms, and it protect your skin underarms for like straight 24 hours, because after 24 hours you eventually take a bath. So yeah, this is a great product, guys. I am so loving with this product. You just need to have this product, and especially in summer you need to have this under your arms because it actually protects from like smelling bad. So I have heard a lot about this product but I haven't used it yet, but when I get this product and when I smell it, guys, it's so heaven. If you like the coconut now, then you just love it. You're gonna love it. And it reminds me of the smell from the dried coconut oil. Yeah, when you crush it and make those laddus, the same smell is in this. And when I read it, it was actually edible and I even drank it. Don't judge me, guys, it is edible, okay? So I drank it and it's so good, guys. I am smelling it like a weed and I'm just get addicted to this. So yeah, a must buy product. It is really great. I have used this on my hair and it is so good. Coconut oil in general is really great. See that I have used this much of oil. I haven't used that. This castor oil gonna last for very long because it's really thick and you just don't use it like alone. You just add in some oil, very less amount, and then use it. It is very potent, which means that you only need little one to get a lot of benefits. So I have made 2 little bottles out of this much and I know it's gonna last me very long, and this was really affordable. So if you want to check it out, you can definitely. It's a great oil for your hair, your skin. Is also a repurchase, and this is the Livon serum. Yeah, I just can't stop talking about it. It's such amazing product. It is just for I think 60 rupees and you again get discount in this, and it comes with this tiny bottle. Really handy. And when you have this frizzy hair, you haven't washed it, this is actually salon at home and you just need 2 drops. I have applied it today and the smell is to die for. Not smell, the fragrance. Oh my god, I'm just addicted to smell all this product. My favorite job in this quarantine period is to smell all the products. Those were the hair care products. Now moving on to actual skincare products. I have some amazing products for you guys and they are really affordable. So the skincare category is a face wash. You need to have face wash, especially in the summer season, and this is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. You have heard this 100 and 1,000 times, and this is for 65 rupees. Again, you can get it in discount, 50 ml of product. It smells good. It's not bad that you can tolerate, and it is the best face wash for people having oily or combination skin, acne prone skin. So it washes your face really well and prevents from pimples and acne. So you can definitely try this. The next product is also a face wash. So this is again a new purchase for myself. This is Clean and Clear face wash. foaming face wash. Foaming face wash are really good for oily skin, and I have seen this product with a lot of people in ads, but I never get this for myself. But now I think that I need to try this product because it's really affordable, and I think I don't need to spend a lot of money for a face wash if a 65 rupees face wash can work for me. So I'm really excited to use this product. I haven't used it yet, so yeah, like I'm really excited. If you have used this product, then do let me know in the comment box how it has worked on your face. It was good or bad. So yeah guys, the next product is this Mamaearth moisturizer. Mamaearth is like talk of the hour, like everyone is using Mamaearth, and I had a bad experience with Mamaearth, but this moisturizer, it is again a repurchase. It is a great moisturizer for oily, acne prone skin, and I have all those good things: oily, acne prone, sensitive. So yeah, people can actually loot me for my skin because I need to have so much of product for my skincare. And this is the small tube. Actually, the bigger tube is for 299 rupees, and this is small tube. This is oil-free moisturizer. This comes for 99 rupees for the small tube, because I love to change the product in a short period of time, because after a while it stops working on my skin if I use the same product, and if I get the big tube then it won't finish and I can't get a chance to get a new product. So, and this is also a travel size, which is great to have with you in your bag, and you can actually use it. It is certified by PETA, and yeah, it is cruelty free, paraben free. So yeah, you can use it, okay, and you can use my code, which I don't have, okay. So yeah, you can definitely use this product. So guys, I'm really tired because it's so freaking hot and I can't switch on my fan or AC, otherwise you will hear more noise than my voice, and it's so freaking hot, guys. The last product in this whole video is a lip balm. I just can't finish a video without a lip balm because it is my favorite product, and this is from Vadi Herbals. It is again a repurchase, but in different flavor. Earlier I used to have this strawberry flavor, but now I have tried this orange flavor, and let me smell it, okay. It smells like that toffee that comes in that orange, you know, you got me, that orange toffee. It exactly smells like that. Yeah, like that, and it even look like the same, and it is just for 40 rupees, guys. It is so freaking good. It keeps my lips moisturized, hydrated, all the things. And lip balm are so freaking expensive. I had expensive lip balm, but I think like why you need to spend so much money, but it is really affordable, and I have repurchased this for the 4th time, and this is amazing. Whenever I repurchase a person, be sure that guys that product is a fabulous product, and I swear by this. Vadi Herbal is a great brand, and this is really affordable, just for 40 rupees. You can even get the big tub, but it wasn't available, so I get it in this small tub. So yeah, get it. So guys, that were all the products that I get from Nykaa for myself, and those were amazing. I love all the product, really affordable, and this is the most disappointing product for me. It is just not me, and I am not regretting much because it is just for 60 rupees, so not much regret. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.